I don't want to drive a fancy car today. I don't want to ride in a red Corvette. I don't want to jog my Saturday away, but I don't want to go home yet. Today is not the day to jump out of a plane. I don't want to parasail or play roulette. I don't want to risk it all or go insane, but I don't want to go home yet. I just want to watch the birds go by from my handy foldable blue canvas throne. I want to watch them fly and fly and see them soar up into the unknown. But I'd feel just like a nerd watching birds, watching me here all alone. I don't want to break dance or learn taekwondo. I don't want to fish till all the fish are gone. I don't want to roller skate even if it's slow. I don't want to pass out in a marathon. I don't like soccer, baseball, track or field. I'm not up for a match of polo. I don't want to seek or try to stay concealed. I'm also not up for water polo. I just want to watch the birds up there, track their migratory patterns that they've flown. I want to watch them from my chair, with my binoculars, my latte, and my phone, trying to spot a lark in the park, parked in nature all alone. Alone here with the doves and the sparrows and the ospreys, the owlets, the egrets, and my list. It's just me and Mr. Finch, the robins, the kingfishers, the snipes, though I hear those don't exist. Each little species in its little way can teach me what awaits you if you can get away. I want to watch the birds do what they will. Sorry if I'm ornithologically prone. I want to watch from somewhere undisturbed and quiet, calm, still. Sit right here and gaze at the unknown. I don't want to fly in the sky. I just want to be alone. It's not a big deal or anything. I just want to be alone.